My dear children, this is the second type of parameters in the function. That is nothing but the default arguments. Sometimes we can provide default value for our positional arguments. In the case of if we are not passing any value, then the default value will be considered. If we are passing any value for a default argument, the interpreter will take the passed argument only. That is the value only. The default argument must not be followed by non-default argument. My dear children, the point is very important. Default argument must not be followed by non-default argument. That is, from the right hand side only, you should have to give the default values. Not from the middle, not from the first. From the end of the parameters, you have to provide default arguments. Look at the first example I had given. Here the function name is interest for calculating the interest of a loan amount. So what happens? Principal amount have to be given, rate and time. Here I had given the time in the month. So what happens? Time equal to 15. So when we are calling that function, we need to pass principal, rate. No need to pass the time. If you are passing the time as 12, the compiler will take 12 value only. If you are not providing the value for time, the compiler automatically takes the default value, that is nothing but the 15. This is just an example. Look at the next example. Default interest rate, that is principal. The first argument, second argument is rate, and the third argument is time. Here I had provided the default values for rate and time. So what happens? The programmer can give only the interest, only the principal, or principal and rate, or all three, that is principal, rate and time. If we are providing the value for rate and time, the interpreter will take the provided value only, not the default value. If we are not providing only, the interpreter will take the default value. My dear children, I am repeating again. The default values are only used when there is no positional value for arguments. And look at the third one. That is an error. That is why it is given in the red color. What happens there? I had tried to give a default value in the middle argument. I had noted, or I had told already, the default argument must not be followed by non-default arguments. That is why I told you should have to give the default values from the right side, not from the left side or in between. So, when you are trying to give a default value in the middle variable or middle argument, what happens? The interpreter shows an error. It is an invalid statement. This is one of the example for printing lines. That is a pattern we are going to print. Here, I had used looping statement, that is nothing but for loop, in range times, print, that is the symbol, end. So, in many times it will print a pattern, that's all. Draw line, we are calling a symbol, that is we are not passing any argument for the first call. Draw line without any argument. Why? Because in the definition I had given the default value for symbol and times. So there is no need to pass the value for symbol and times from the calling. Look at the second one, at the rate. So the first positional argument is given as at the rate 20 times it will print. And for the third call, that is draw line of hash 40. So I had passed both the values hash and 40. So the symbol it will take as hash and times as 40. What happens? Here is another example for converting to binary to octal. That is converting from binary to octal. That is another example for the same default argument. Try it in the PyDroid application. Thank you.